I just kept thinking, is this real? Is this a bad dream? Maybe I'll wake up. If I hadn't gotten the mammogram in my regular scheduling, I might not be here. All the Ochsner and B. Anderson folks, we were all like on a team. They were there for me. They were very loving and kind and just embraced me.
Her smile is something that I will always remember. And I think she was truly an authentic person.
It was definitely Simone, my daughter, her strength and watching the things that she's overcome. It was inspiring to me. She graduated, summa cum laude from Baton Rouge High. I can't say enough about the team to help me get there.